The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 marks a significant evolution in the muscle car segment, blending traditional performance with modern technology. As Chevrolet continues to innovate, the ZL1 stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to delivering exhilarating driving experiences. Under the hood, the 2026 ZL1 is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering an impressive 650 horsepower and 650 pounds-feet of torque. This powerhouse enables the ZL1 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, showcasing its formidable performance capabilities. The exterior design of the ZL1 combines aggressive styling with aerodynamic efficiency. Features such as a bold front grille, sculpted hood, and rear spoiler not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to improved airflow and downforce. Inside, the ZL1 offers a driver-focused cockpit equipped with advanced technology and premium materials. The infotainment system includes a higher-resolution touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, while the performance data recorder allows drivers to analyze their driving metrics. Safety and driver assistance features are also a priority in the 2026 ZL1. Standard equipment includes forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and rear cross-traffic alert, providing added confidence on the road. The ZL1's suspension system has been finely tuned for both track and street performance. Magnetic ride control adapts to changing road conditions in real time, ensuring optimal handling and ride comfort. Braking performance is equally impressive, with Brembo brakes providing strong and consistent stopping power. This setup ensures that the ZL1 can handle the demands of high-performance driving scenarios. Customization options allow buyers to tailor the ZL1 to their preferences. Available packages include carbon fiber accents, performance exhaust systems, and unique wheel designs, enabling a personalized touch. In terms of market positioning, the 2026 Camaro ZL1 competes with other high-performance vehicles such as the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 and Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. Its combination of power, technology, and refinement makes it a compelling choice for enthusiasts. As the automotive industry moves towards electrification, the ZL1 represents one of the last bastions of traditional muscle car performance. Its supercharged V8 engine and rear-wheel drive layout offer a driving experience that is becoming increasingly rare. Looking ahead, Chevrolet's future plans may include electrified versions of the Camaro, but for now, the 2026 ZL1 stands as a celebration of internal combustion performance. It captures the essence of American muscle cars while incorporating modern advancements. In conclusion, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 delivers an exhilarating blend of power, technology, and design. It serves as a fitting tribute to the muscle car era, offering drivers a thrilling experience that is both nostalgic and forward-looking.